Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Ring doorbell to a new Wi-Fi network, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Ring doorbell is charged or connected to a power source. Open the Ring app on your smartphone. Log in to your Ring account if prompted. On the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select devices from the menu options. Choose your Ring doorbell from the list of devices. Tap Device Health. Here, you will see the current Wi-Fi network your doorbell is connected to. Select Change Wi-Fi Network. The app will prompt you to enter a new Wi-Fi network. Make sure your new Wi-Fi network is available and within range. Choose your new Wi-Fi network from the list provided. Enter the new Wi-Fi password when prompted. Double-check that you've entered the password correctly. Tap Connect. The Ring doorbell will now attempt to connect to the new network. Wait for the connection process to complete. Once connected, a confirmation will appear on your app. Test the Ring doorbell to ensure it is functioning properly. If needed, adjust settings or preferences in the app for optimal use. You're all set. Enjoy your Ring doorbell on the new Wi-Fi network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.